Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session we will learn local currency and resource bundle class from java.util package. So what is local? Local class is used to localize the text, number, date, etc. Suppose or local class include the information about country, language or region, etc. So what is the meaning of this local? If I take the example of this Google homepage, so this is a Google homepage, no? This is Google homepage, and when I type in this when I type in browser this URL https www.google.com, so Google homepage will open in some specific language. Currently this language is Hindi, and this country, if you see here, that is Bharat, and here if you see this message, Google का इस्तेमाल इन भाषाओं में किया जा सकता है. This is a message. So how it is coming in Hindi? Because this Hindi is taken from your operating system local. When you installed your operating system, at that time your operating system asking from you some information like select your country, select your language, select your date and time format. So all that information your operating system is asking, and by using that operating system, your operating system is creating one local, and this browser is taking that local only, and Google is using that local, and by using that local, your Google is showing you that respective local language according to your country and your region. So this is called a localization, and this is the use of this local class. So that local will represent your country, language or region. And what is currency? Because each local has its currency, means local has some information. What information it has? Country, and country has a currency code also. Each country has one currency. Each country has a currency, and currency has some properties like currency code, currency symbol, currency numerical code, currency name. So all that information is taken care by your currency class, and currency class you can create from local only, because local has the information about your country and country has a currency. So that's why from the local you can create currency, and we will see this class. And what is resource bundle? Resource bundle means that is used to localize the information like this Google page. So that you have to localize, so that information is stored for your local, that is available under some resource file, that is called resource bundle. And resource bundle is used for localization, the message, label or text. So let's see the local class first. So this is our local class. If you see default local, whatever the local we have selected for our operating system, it will create for that local, and from that local we are printing the local language. What is the language of that one? What is the current country of that one? What is the name of that language, display name, and what is the tag for that one? So these four information we are printing for that one. So default, what is the default one? Currently this default is a Hindi, that is Bharat. So here this is the default one. You can get the default local. If we want to create local for some other language or other country, then how we can do this? Like that we can create local using this constructor. This constructor contains two information. First parameter is representing your language code, and the second one is representing your country code. Language code and country code. SA means Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a language in India. In India, if you see, more than 80-20 languages are there. Some countries has one language, some country has a 2 language, 3 language, Some country has more language like India, and India is only one country in the world that has more than 80 or 20 language. That's why India is great. Okay, so here if you see Sanskrit is a language that is in India, that is a language of India. In the same way, India has another language like Hindi. Like Hindi, HI stand for Hindi, KN for Kannada. Kannada is also language of India. So like that, n number of languages are there. So if we use this get default, so whatever the default language for your country, it will print Hindi. If I print the second one, then what will be? Sanskrit. Next one Hindi. That is all by default. You get because our operating system default is Hindi, that's why it is coming. Or this is Sanskrit that we have seen, I think. Yeah, this is Sanskrit, this is Hindi, this is Kannada, I think. Okay, yes, Kannada, that is Kannada is called in English, actually in Hindi it is Kannada. Okay, TE stand for Telugu, I think. Yeah, Telugu. MR for Marathi, I think. Yeah, this is Marathi. KS for Kashmiri, I think. Yes, Kashmiri. DO means Dogri, I think. Yeah, Dogri only. BHO means Bhojpuri. BH means Bihari. So all these languages are there for India. BN for Bengali. Okay, Bangla, no, it's Bengali. Okay, PA for Punjabi, OR for Udiya, or TA for Tamil. So like that. Or if some default locals are created, like using this static field, that is also available. Dakshin Korea, Japan, जापान की भाषा है. ओके, चाइना, चाइनीज. ओके, यूएस, अंग्रेजी, संयुक्त राष्ट्र यानी कि यूनाइटेड नेशंस, यूनाइटेड स्टेट. नेक्स्ट वन इज यूके, United Kingdom, Angrezi. Okay, so like that these are the languages for their countries. So default, that whatever your operating system you have selected, accordingly it will come by default. Okay, so this is called a local. Next one is currency. So currency, how it is? Currency is dependent on local only. No, from the local you can get the currency. So if this is our local actually, or you can get the local default also, no issue, or you can create the local how we have created before in this one. You can create in this way, or you can get the default one. So I have created this local, that is Hindi, English, and for this local I want to get the currency, Bharatiya currency. And if I print this one, so what I am printing? Currency code, currency name, currency symbol, and numerical code also. So these 4 parameters we are printing from this currency. So currency code is INR. INR means Indian rupees, and currency name is Bharatiya Rupaya, and currency symbol is this rupee symbol, this Rupaya symbol, and currency numerical code is 356. So like that you can get, and this is the this currency get instance method we are using here. Currency dot get instance of a currency using this local. Whatever local we will pass here, accordingly it will come. Suppose this is Hindi currently. If I give this local is US, and see US dollar, because language we have selected. Sorry, language doesn't matter here only the country is matter. What is the country? US for US dollar. Like that it will come. Okay, so it will come in this way. So this is the local for Hindi in India. So if we this is get instance we are taking, and if we see the other methods of currency, Then get available currencies are also there, and that get available currency method is returning a set of currency type. A set of currency type, how many types of currencies are available across the global, all you can get into a set, and you can see all the information about that one. So here we are using get available currency method, and if you see the output, all the currencies throughout the world, how many are available, it will come here. INR is also there, yes. So this is the called currency class. Currency class is used to represent the currency code name and currency symbol. And the next one is resource bundle. What is resource bundle? If you see the definition of resource bundle, then it says resource bundle is used for localization the message, label or texts. Message, label or text. Similarly, we have seen this example of Google homepage. This Google homepage by default it is coming in Hindi because it is taking the local value from operating system. So in the same way we can create the local resource bundle class that can be used for localization the text message or labels. Okay, so here if you see the see the method of resource bundle, then that get bundle is the static method of resource bundle that is taking two parameter. The first one is the resource name. And the second one is local. What is local? That we have already seen. Local is representing your country and your language. One country can have more than one language or two language, or it can have even one language also. So the local is the second parameter for this get bundle, and resource, that is the name of resource. And what is the meaning of this resource here? This resource is nothing but a file, a property file that has some naming convention. Resource is the name of resource bundle file, and after this resource you have to give an underscore, and after underscore you have to give your language code. After language code, one underscore you have to give, and after this underscore you have to give country code, and after this country code you have to give the file extension, that is a dot properties. So this is the extension of a dot property file, or you can say this is the naming convention for resource bundle file. So what is resource bundle file? A resource bundle file is nothing but a dot properties file that has a resource name and that has a language code and country code, and language and country code will be splitted by underscore. Okay, so here we have created two resources. This name is not mandatory, like you have to give resource always. You can give any name for this resource. You can give language, you can give label, messages, ABC, any name you can give, whatever is perfect for you, you can give that one, no issue. But you have to give the same name here also. Whatever the name of a resource file you are giving, that you have to give here while getting the resource bundle using get bundle method. And you have to pass your local also. What is the local? English and US. English is the language of United States, and in the same way Hindi is the language of India. So you can give the local and you can give the resource bundle, and you will get the resource bundle object. And using this resource bundle object you can get the values from resource file. So what will be available under resource file, or what will be available in the dot properties file? Dot property file will contains only key value pair, key and value pair. Key is this one and value. Key and value will be separated by equals symbol. So greet. So greet means how we are greeting in English, by saying hello. So this is the meaning of greet here. So if I will get the properties like get string for greet, so what it will return, what will be the value of greet? Greet value will be hello. Hello, because the value of greet we are giving as a hello. In the same way, if it is in Hindi, in this Hindi, how we are greeting, by saying namaskar or namaste. So in the same way, you have to give this this complete name or complete label into a Unicode, into a Unicode. So Unicode is represented in string by this format that we have already seen for in data type. In data type session you can see that session again. Okay, so this is the meaning of resource bundle. In the resource bundle greet and message, two messages, two labels are there, greet and message, and that should be available across all the resources. See here, greet and message is there in English, in Hindi also greet and message is there, and that you can get using get string method. And here suppose what will be the value of greet value will be hello, and what will be the value of message will be welcome to programming language course, welcome to Java programming language course, sorry. So here if you see, before to this welcome we have given one position param. This is called positional parameter. Positional parameter, what is positional parameter? That can be replaced with any string or text. Positional parameter is nothing but the values that can be replaced with any value. You can give anything. Suppose here if I will give you my name, what it will be? ABC, something like that, ABC, or some name like Harish, Rohit, welcome to Java programming language, similar. So this is not static value, that's why we are giving position parameter. Whatever the value that is not fixed for this label, you can give into a form of position param. So that's why we have given the position param for 0 position. So here in Hindi also we have given the position param here, because that if you see the grammar rule for each language, that is a different. So that's why it is not like that. In English this is a first value, position param is coming at a first only, but in Hindi it is coming in middle, or it may come in the last also in some other language. That is not fixed. So that we have to, while processing this one, we have to be careful in that, that we have to create some util class separately. Okay, but currently in this example only one position param is there, that is the first only, so always it will be first only. Okay, so and that position param you have to replace using message format class. You have to resolve that position param using message format class. And message format class, one format method is there, and using this format you have to format, or you have to resolve the position param by some value. So this is the value, with that value we want to resolve this one. So format, first one is the entire string, whatever the string is coming from your resource bundle. Message is taking the value that is coming from dot properties file, or that is coming from resource bundle file, and the second is parameter, is the parameter that has to be resolved with the position param, and it is not limited to this param only. First should be the string that is coming from your resource bundle, and after that first parameter, n number of parameter can be there. Like here you can give XYZ, here you can give ABC also, because there are chances that in your resource bundle message there can be n number of position param. So if it is n number of position param, then how it will be resolved? You have to give n number of value while formatting. So you can give in this way also, no issue. Currently there is a one position param, that's so why we are giving one only. And if I run this one, you will see the example. Suppose what will be the value of greet hello, what will be the value of this message welcome to Java programming language, and that we have resolved this position param with Ram Nivas. So Ram Nivas, welcome to Java programming language course. It is not like that you have to give this name, whatever the name you will give here, it will be replaced with that one. So ABC, now it will come with ABC, welcome to Java programming language course. And this is the local. Currently we have given this local as a English. If we give this local as a Hindi, then what will happen? That messages will come in Hindi. Here's नमस्कार ABC, जावा प्रोग्रामिंग में आपका स्वागत है, जावा प्रोग्रामिंग में आपका स्वागत है, नमस्कार. And if you give here some name like Harish, so it will come Harish Kumar. Now it will come name here, नमस्कार हरीश कुमार, जावा प्रोग्रामिंग में आपका स्वागत है. It will replace. And suppose if it is a more than one position param, suppose here one more position param is there, after comma I have given another position param here. This is the first one, so 0, that is 0 position, this is the first position. So how you will resolve this one now? And in this one also you have to resolve. In that case you have to give here, so we have given here also, this is the first one. So now how will you give the position param for these two? So here Harish we have given. So if you if you try to run this one, so it is not formatting the value for other one, because you have resolved the first position param in this format method. You have not resolved the second param. So how will you resolve the second param? You have to give another param here. You can give another param here like anything, Harish Kumar, Sunil Kumar, anything. So it will be resolved now. Yes, it is resolved. Now it is resolved. The second also it will be resolved here. Yes. So in this way you can use resource bundle file. And suppose if you don't give this local, then what will happen? It will take the default local of your operating system. The default local is Hindi only, no? Default local is Hindi only. So it will take the default local. If you give that local, it will take that local. If you don't give that local, it will take from your operating system by default. Because if you see the implementation of get bundle, in that way, if you can see it is taking the, if it is taking the resource bundle, the default one, get default base name, get bundle local. Okay, this is different one, I think. Suppose if we are not giving this local, then how it is taking? It is taking the bundle as a default, get default local dot get default. The default local it will take by default if you don't give, or else you can give that here, no issue. You can give here local, you can give here. If you give, it will come. Okay, so this is called resource bundle in Java. And resource bundle says that the resource bundle is used for localization the message label or text. So here we are localizing the message label or text. Localization of message label and text. Okay, so this is all about local currency and resource bundle class in Java. In the next session we will see the new package. Okay, sorry, we will start a new package, that is input output package in Java. So I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and we will see you in next session. Till that, bye bye and thanks for watching.